What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim, back again with another great amazing video. Actually, this is the Huawei P20 Lite. This kind of device comes from the family of the Huawei P20. Now, this kind of device is so great to my own aspect, and I had to put my hands on it. Now, this kind of device, let us just break it down its own kind of specification. Now, jumping to the spec, this device has a 4GB of RAM and a 3000 mAh battery. Now, this kind of device is not that much actually. We say it's a budget phone. When it comes to budget, it's not actually a budget phone. Now, I thought to my own aspect since Huawei released the P20, and we know that it's like almost like 5 months since they released the device, and I'm so like bumped that the P20 Lite could be a little bit of game changer when it comes to Huawei flagships, and it's actually quite different when it comes to spec, and it's quite different when it comes to budget, because we know that the Huawei P20 has much greater specification than the P20 Lite. It's just like saying the Huawei P20 and the Huawei P20 Mini. We know that Mini can get a specification like the bigger one, which is P20, the first variant, compared to the second variant. But jumping out of the box, this kind of device is so great when it comes to camera. The camera is a dual camera. At the back, you can never tell no difference with iPhone X. It looks definitely like an iPhone X, and you can just freak out with the device. Now, at the front, we have the notch, something which is so great to the market, whereby every company has to head to the notch, whereby Samsung had to say no.
What's going on over there?
Oh no. They come here all the time.
Now, this is something which is so kind of like great to my own aspect for the notch, because the notch came with the iPhone 10, so every kind of industry is trying to copy the same kind of aspect on the flagship of the iPhone X. But jumping to the box, this kind of device, it's so great when it comes to its own kind of features on the camera side. Now, the camera has a 16 megapixel camera, but remember guys that that kind of 16 megapixel doesn't want to freak you out, because it's a dual camera. One camera acts as a portrait and the other one acts as a wide angle, which is something which is great. Now, the chipset of this device is actually the silicon Kirin. Now, I'm kind of wondering between Snapdragon and silicon Kirin, which is the best. To my own aspect, Snapdragon is the go. Stuff upon this device, it's rocking Android 8.0. Now, Android 8.0 is so great to my own aspect. I can say it's a bad update to the phone, because we know that Huawei scheme runs on top of the Android. Like every kind of device which has an Android, some of the device, not Android One, because it's pure Android, it must have its own kind of test when it comes to its own kind of scheme. Now, this kind of phone, it's so great to my own aspect. I give it go. And another kind of stuff upon this device which captured me is the way it looks like. The body, it's fully glassy. When you take it at the back, it's still there and it's gonna be there, but the headphone jack, they remember on this device, which is something which is so great. Now, this is the Huawei P20 Lite, and I had to just touch the phone, explore the camera, explore a lot of stuff on the phone, and I said, yeah. Now, jump to the price. This phone is not a budget phone. Don't expect like $200. This phone is almost $400 device. Now, it's almost 400. You may get 350 used one, you may get, it depends with how you get the device. So thank you guys for watching. If you love the Huawei P20 and the Huawei family, make sure that you comment down below, what's your flagship of the phone? Is this device actually budget? That's what's up. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll be catching you guys on the next video. Peace.